All right, you're welcome back. Yes, now still real life issues day, and behind the scene we just talk about some real life things. Anyway, make we move on with our stories that we carry for today. Now, Nollywood actor Emeka Ike. Emeka Ike last week come outside talk say him wife don't run comot leave her with his children, and he come outside they beg his wife say please come. Now the wife they claim say Emeka Ike na wife beater. So now, Emeka Ike don't come outside, blame the kind marriage, the breakup with the apple for a marriage on the president of the Actor Guild of Nigeria, Ibinabo Febrosima, Ebuka. Now, the actor insists, say, the rumor and the things where they happen for his in marriage, now it's a result of tarnishing his image, all because him, now, they also vie for the position of President Actor Guild of Nigeria. In come outside talk say, Ibinabo go upload a distraction on top of the internet and you go quickly rush to celebrate him. He say you don't speak with her, he they refer to his wife. For inside interview where he do, he they refer to his wife. He say, she tell you anything about this rumor where they spread around? He said this rumor so, it's over 2 years old now on top internet. No thanks to Ibinabo. Please speak to my wife to hear if that's what she has to say. Who they report this rumor? Say I be wife beater. Say my family is chatter. We say we don't break up. Who they report this rumor? He said who they ask? If she never come meet you and to treat all these things where they happen, wait until she come. Then you feel ask her own side of the story, not this Ibinabo's distraction. Please, I know they party to this, not now where she get legal issues all over her. Now, within Emeka Ike don't come outside talk, he don't blame the situation when they face for a marriage on Ibinabo Febrosima. Ladies, nothing says something is really wrong with Emeka Ike?
Maybe.
We, now two things I want to talk. Emeka Ike gets small mental problem. You know, say every day people get that 5 minutes of where you go display your manners. But he own the thing don't enter gear too. He need to see counselor. That's number one. Then if you want divorce, make it divorce. Not being the first person.
Thank you.
If you want divorce. You not need them. Ibinabo never answer you. You don't talk go here, whole water. All the thing no enter.
She don't answer. He say he demented.
I think say he get mental problem. Is either make you look for somewhere travel, go make you forget about say waiting, make you sure leave the woman and the children, she go take care of herself. It should make you find somewhere go.
You know, for me, first of all, I would actually say, for Emeka Ike to actually come outside to give to reply this rumor where they go on, because we never actually confirm whether not true or not be true. I wish he go come the show. But for me, I go say, if you want to reply, you go reply, defend yourself. You don't go reply, begin the point finger to another person. If not, you for just lock up, not talk anything at all. And then concerning the fact whether he say the rumor are 2 years old or no. The fact that means say not true. Because in they come out say, oh no, I know beat him or I know do this one, but I go say not 2 years old. Once a wife beater, always a wife beater. The fact say you don't raise your hand one time, no, it means say any other time you feel raise and do it.
With the way they talk now, I feel say they do them like every Saturday.
Yes.
like every Saturday.
So and another thing again, for him, he decides say, okay, actually he won't run politics for inside the Actors Guild. And he needs to know say politics na dirty game. We know they talk say he dey right, say na dirty game, but na so it just be. So if you don't say you don't get mind to do them, then you back out. If Ibinabo dig 2 years old gist because she did the game,
then
and
you go dig 16-year-old.
Thank you.
It's politics.
And give us something to talk about. Hello. I don't understand.
And if really in home no breakout, make him and his wife come outside do video like this man.
Why the wife not there beside her?
Yes.
When they do this?
No. Maybe she did take care of the children. She go pick them from school.
She don't beat her, she need to nurse her eye.
It might crazy, man. They fit just do small video because now it's in the rain now. Just do small video with camera, selfie, talk for the team, put them for there.
And when we see the woman face, we go know whether that's genuine video or not fake.
Yeah, just do video. I
can't just quiet.
Man, the story tire me.
I don't want to talk about this. Emeka Ike get mental problem.
Because Emeka Ike, he just for my hand. I be they like at that time.
Seriously,
I they like watching movies. I said, this guy that did this movie. Oh,
Emeka Ike.
Serious. Everybody get their different preferences. I be managed to
my
like
that.
But right about now, my hand have go. In fact, no, I like go left. He don't push me past the left end. My right hand enter left. I just weak.
But you know waiting for me. For me, if you can be destabilized as at now, waiting will happen if they put you in that position of being the president.
Oh my goodness!
You go turn actors gives to something else.
Now boxing, everybody go buy Anglo.
No, now poetry you go turn to.
No.
It's just terrible, really. It's just terrible, really. But for me, even the first statement where he been come and talk say, I'm not a wife beater. In short, my children were very surprised when I showed them what is happening on the internet. They were like, "Oh no, Daddy, you cannot beat mommy."
Oh wow, that is not possible.
Now actor and children feel
they tell you they blood.
No, he write the script for the children. So you read the script. Talk out.
Emeka Ike, please sort your home, I beg. Because now we they laugh about him because it is laughable.
Yeah.
And because you don't put him for the plate of for our plate for us to laugh about.
For here now, see our table. Anything we call here, we.
Now how you treat your relationship or marriage? Now so people treat him.
Yes.
Now you don't treat him to be comedy for us, so we will laugh about it.
Yes.
And you don't treat him to make us feel say something is really wrong with you. So we'll definitely laugh about it.
Yeah.
And refer you to Uselu.
Yaba left.
You understand?
You can't make our words. Come they point finger say that Ibinabo.
Now the second home of Yaba left.
Wait, how Ibinabo take enter the scene? Even if not politics.
No, she telling wife say, you know what? As your husband won't become president, so the level will change. So
exactly.
Now attack and first, which hunt and first.
Yes.
So
and why
you remember that?
Why don't get brain? I go come do that to husband where they okay with.
So you can't remember now. You remember that time where he beat you, where he said I missed to the matter.
Go take the picture.
Okay, now on the picture you still get them.
I go make you start.
Give me.
We'll go do you makeup.
I must say something. These ladies are producers of Nollywood movies. Very soon, watch out for Amaka and Queen B and Betiana. All right. And moving on, make we enter this particular one. Pasuma Wasiu Alabi Pasuma. Pasuma. He don't come outside. Pasuma. Hey, now what I talk now, Pasuma? Now you won't change me. Oh God. Get behind me. All right, now Pasuma don't come outside. Reveal, it don't come outside, reveal, say, they currently in a romantic relationship.
Oh, yeah. I know that song. What's it with you here?
Hallelujah. After 8 wives.
I mean, give me one of his songs. I did try. Not me saying gentle lady.
No. Now he sing with Davy Cray.
He even sing with Tiwa Savage.
Tingali Gali, Davy Cray. On the one, he cancer. Tingali Gali,
Ife me something with Tiwa Savage. Is it with Tiwa Savage?
Okay, yes, in hip hop music where they promote right now. Wow. Maybe we'll bring and come on top of this. Make it can't tell us.
All right. Now don't even confuse me. All right, so let's move on. Now, Pasuma don't come outside reveal saying they're into a romantic relationship, and he don't come outside talk. He say meet this girl. Now in his own words, he come outside talk say I did in a relationship right now. But we never tied the knot. But rumors they spread around say this year saying if he tied the knot. He say I'm in a very serious relationship and I don't find love.
So.
I meet my girlfriend for inside one mall for Dubai. He say she be there with her friend, we know me and they greet me. So she just follow suit, greet me. He say she don't even know who I be. But her friend na huge fan because she did not know who Pasuma was. I did very curious to know about her. He said, God don't really bless our union. And I pray that people go also add their blessing to him rather than destroy it. He said, I'm not planning marriage this year. He said, all I'm concerned about na my career. When my career don't stay stable, then I go do it in marry her. Anybody that wants to marry a musician has to be part of the musician's career. The person has to understand the business. On my part, I think my woman knows and understands my job. I also take time to explain to her the intricacies of my job. She comes from a good home and she is very humble. We are sing that song.
My woman.
My everything. My woman.
I know, just talk that song. We just lose shift.
Now, I just want to ask this question. Where you meet man or woman, if you determine the kind of person, where the person will be?
We now 50-50.
Okay.
I don't see people where meet born again for inside club. Maybe that day their friend just dragged them and say, today you must spoil the spoil where I want me you spoil. I don't meet prostitute for inside church. I don't miss arm robber for where they do crusade. So where you meet person, no be function of whom they really be.
Okay.
For me, people character, they're different. And some kind of situations, they make them find themselves in certain places where maybe they're not supposed to be or they're no one be. I know if you hold myself to enter this passages.
Enter.
Like when we talk after 8 wives.
Yeah.
And he married the first
wife.
Daughter
22, Sorry, 24, 23.
Sister, wait. He married the first wife. He say, I found love.
The marriage we married.
Oui. You being sister?
They say you don't marry any of them. Say now only 8 children you get.
Okay.
Say you don't marry any of them.
8 children from 8 different women. And with a cause Two-Face. Hey, Chineke.
No, but Two-Face at the end of the day, stay with one person.
Now that they talk now, with the cause, and when people like Pastor, they may we focus our energy.
Instead don't they find person now. He goes to marry.
No. He say you know they marry anytime this year.
But people they think
people
they go marry this year.
Make them allow and talk. What then they talk for her now? They won't buy the ring given.
We won't do vote for her.
He said, don't destroy my relationship.
We not destroy her, Mo. I'm very, Pastor. I'm very, very happy for you. Very soon now you go. You know me do see.
Tuale. Nǹkan tó wí láti sọ ni pé bàbá ni ẹ. Gbé àwọn ọmọ mẹ́jọ tẹ́ bí yẹn. Ẹ focus sí wọn gbàgbé love.
I like your Yoruba.
Bluetooth.
I like your Yoruba.
Really, I go just feel to make you focus on the 8 children. Because all this jumping.
No.
Wait till we know.
He needs a woman. Forget.
Okay, so go produce another 8, but from one woman.
Maybe not just one he go produce from this woman, but he needs a woman.
Whoa, this is the only one he go produce. Defender of the universe.
Paso. You know, when I say Paso, I say a fine boy.
What's he fine?
No, he's a fine man. What's wrong with you?
Why you call him man?
I said you hear ugly from my mouth.
Na boy him be.
You said boy, fine boy.
Na fine boy first come, but he na fine man. All of them join. He fine.
She not get.
So anyways, I just look at like say how we explain them now.
I'm so
Pasuma. Please try find that true love. If to say that if not do, she na because you go to Dubai, say true love come from Dubai. I bet we hear what. You know the funny part, one way even surprised when they come talk say 2 people there. One no now. Now because the other one one know the other one no now. Now because the other one no know now make you say yes, he dey interested in this babe. Hello.
How are you?
No, wait, ma tell you.
What's your beef inside?
One thing with men, one thing with men. That time when you show you no care, they won't discover that thing. What do you feel say?
Love him?
Well, for that
how do you define the love?
I no go fit talk.
Is that your definition?
You know if you define everybody's love.
I don't know who you be.
Wait, ma tell you.
You find love in hopeless places.
Yeah. The last wife where get where me I know of where she born with them close street. She dey selfish. She get frozen.
Oh, they close street.
Yes, they close street. The street they shut the street down when they do the party for the naming ceremony.
A baby.
She get frozen house or something. Now fish she dey sell. So now he come meet another woman where they for Dubai for mall.
When they sell fish.
When they sell fish. So the love is going to be very different.
Yes, it's going to be a Dubai love.
Now it's going to be a mall thing.
It's not a frozen fish love.
Supper. So me they look and say, well, time shall tell.
And that's true love.
When it comes to Paso
okay,
and Fuji
Dubai love is true love.
I don't understand who again.
As you not been talking, it is true love. I'm serious. It's true love.
It is not a frozen fish love.
Yeah, no.
Because you meet somebody from mall.
Yeah.
And the person be there with her friend who knows you.
And
the person don't know you.
And the friend not fan.
And
I will never talk about them.
No, huge, not just fan.
Huge fan.
And you know, and the girl where they love, no, the artist where her friend like pass. Oh la la.
No, maybe she know him as an artist where they sing, but she don't know him face to face.
Okay.
All of them look alike.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, pick that your bag again. So lost. As they do. Asuma. Oh, do one, Kibi.
No. Before they wait for me for outside.
Ask Kibi the fear. I see all the fear before me.
No. This one I talk the real and show. I confuse.
No, greet him.
I mean, she showing Baba ni. Baba ni showing. Lori talk like on talk.
Baba Nye. On that note, Baba Nye, we will come and I will come back to read that letter from the viewers. Baba Nye. Baba Nye.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.